How are you guys? Especially to my YouTube followers. I'm sorry if I haven't uploaded any videos right now. I'm a little bit in a situation, but just saying hi to my neighbor. Shout out to Aiden, to Ben, my coworkers, and Bisaya, Elizabeth Bisaya, and to all my Facebook followers. So I'm getting ready to go to my work. Time check 10:24, Oceanside, California. And everything's okay. Today is gonna be a gloomy day. And to you out there, hoping that everything's okay. I actually sometimes think that I could like speak all the way like English, but my YouTube subscriber that are in the US, they're telling me they don't really understand what I'm talking about in here. But to all my Filipino followers, kumusta kayo? At sana po ay mabuti lang ang lahat. Salamat sa pagsusupport kahit medyo down tayo ngayon sa mga uploading ng videos. I'm still trying to figure it out because sometimes nasisi po ako sa I'm being copyrighted on YouTube. I'm still trying to figure it out because I feel like having a video with without music, it's so dry. I'm still trying to figure it out, that's what I'm always telling my friends, that I'm really trying to improve every day, but the last one that I uploaded, my trip to San Diego, it was copyrighted, so I deleted it. So I will try to be active again. I actually have some, everyone has issues, in life. But I was just like really, it really cracks me off when one of my friends in another platform we're having live, and a lot of people are watching it, and one of those doing comments below, I think send her a private message, asking her if she's married. And she was like, when we're doing the live, she was like, hey, this is not a dating app. This is like a live. Like, you're in the wrong place. It really cracks me up, man. And also, I would like to thank those people, especially Malu Corfos, Bandroxley, shout out sa inyo, and also to Witty Blogs, And last night I really have a good time. It really cracks me off. One of my fraternity sisters from Australia, she actually came to my live and joined me, and also Warainon and one of his friends, and it's really like we were having a good time, jokes, crack jokes, trying to it really also one of the things that is really good when you're doing a jokes with your friends, and you really know each other, the punchline, you're trying to pass it on. And it's one of the things that I really appreciate, and especially with Warainon, we're really good buddies, but we see each other personally twice here in the US. He's also a fraternity brother. Shout out to my Alpha Pi Kappa sisters and brothers, especially for those who really support me, and for those not supporting me of what I'm doing right now. But it's okay. You can really please everybody, And Anates, I almost forgot you. And hey, Rinson, I hope you're okay. I haven't talked to you for a while. I want to say hi to my son, Chris and Jacob. Hope you guys, I haven't heard from you, saying hi. I'm always texting you. I think you're busy, guys. But it's okay. I hope you're doing fine. You're doing good with your careers. And everything in life must go on. So have a great day, everyone. Thank you, mga kajapsi. God bless.